Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixGaming. Today in this video I'm going to go and show you how to easily reset your PlayStation 5 controller without the PlayStation. So let's go ahead and jump in the video right now. So maybe you're having problems after a recent update, or maybe there's some other issue wrong with your controller. Well, it's very easy to reset. Now you don't have to turn off the controller. When you reset it, it will turn off automatically. So if we flip the controller over, we can see a small pinhole right here. Now I have an aim controller, so I have back paddles attached to the back of my controller. But locate this hole and then use a toothpick or a pin and press this down for about 5 seconds. Now when you go ahead and press this down, you'll know you're pressing it down when the controller shuts off. And hold it down for about 5 to 10 seconds and then go ahead and let go. Now you can go ahead and turn back on your controller and see if this fixes any kind of issues you've been having with the controller itself. Now if you become unable to connect the controller just via Bluetooth when you reset it, go ahead and grab a USB cable just like this and plug it into the controller and then plug the other end into your PlayStation. And this will help you sync it relatively quick. And also if there's any kind of update, I'll go ahead and update the controller. So hopefully this quick little video did indeed help you out. If it did, go and leave a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech up videos coming up next on YourSixGaming.